Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Shrestha, and in today's video we are going to review our previous month, which was October, and set goals and intentions for the upcoming month, which is November. So it's going to be essentially a plan with me video, and with that guys, grab your notebooks and pen and let's begin. Can you believe it guys, only 2 months till 2021. To be honest, I have mixed emotions. I'm happy that 2020 is finally getting over because we faced some difficult times and we are still facing it. But I'm also a bit anxious how 2021 would be, because I definitely don't want it how 2020 has been with us. I want it better for all of us, and that's for sure. So like I said, there are like mixed emotions going over in my head as I sat down to do a plan with me video, and I was reviewing my previous month. And I can also say that I did achieve a lot of things this year thanks to these plan with me videos I do with you guys at the end of each month. For the first time in my life, I know where my months and weeks went by, where I did stick to my resolutions, my major yearly goals. And that's another reason why I always say that do these plan with me videos with me. I make sure that I keep them super interactive, and you know, you can plan your month with me, and that's how you actually stay in track. So this series has given me a lot, and I hope if you have been following me, it has been beneficial for you guys as well. Also, there are going to be 2 special announcements in this video, so stay tuned till the very end. And with that, today's special shout out goes to Chitrika. Thank you so much for commenting on all of my videos and being so patient and kind with me. Guys, she herself has a fitness and a health related channel, which I will definitely recommend for you guys to go and check it out for yourself, and send her some love as well. And if you're wondering how can we get a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is comment below this video or tag me in any of your Instagram stories, and I'll happily give you a shout out. That's my way of saying thank you guys. Now let's talk about the structure of this video. This video will be divided into 2 parts. In the first part, we will review our previous month, how it went by, did we complete our goals or not. I will give you a set of questions which will help you review your previous month, and the way to go about is pause this video every time I ask a question and answer it in your notebooks. This will really help you to review your previous month. The second part would be where we will set goals and intentions for the upcoming month, and also set our journals. So that's why you need your journal for both the activities. Now let's start with the first part, which is reviewing your previous month. So as you guys know, for reviewing my month, I usually use my life hacking planner by Saloni. At the end of each month, you have a set of questions which helps you review the previous month. But sometimes it's not enough for me, not sometimes, always it's not enough for me, and I have to do a deep review of my month. And that's why I myself created few questions which I'm gonna start now, and you have to pause this video and answer them in your journals or your notebooks basically, and that will definitely help you review your month. So follow my questions, pause this video and answer them. So guys, the first question, are you happy how your October went by? Pause this video and answer it. Cool. Second question, did you accomplish all your goals? Pause your video and answer guys. Third, what are the things you're grateful for? Fourth, did you take out time for skincare? Pause this video and answer. Cool. Fifth question, did you take out time for regular workouts? Sixth question, what are the things you could not accomplish and want to work on next month? This is very important because it will help you set goals and intentions for next month. And finally, the last question, ask one question about a habit you're trying to build. So for example, if you are trying to build a reading habit, the question you need to ask, did I take out enough time for reading, or did I read 1 book or 2 books this month or not? Now let's quickly talk about how my previous month October was. October was really good, to be very honest. Guys, did you see the ad? Or maybe you skipped it. Anyway, I am finally monetized. Yes, I got monetized on my channel, and this was on my vision board for the past 10 months, guys, and finally I achieved it with your help, with my family's help, and with the grace of God. And obviously that made me so happy. I had mixed emotions and the feeling was surreal, but finally achieving what has been going in your mind for months together is a feeling on a whole different level. Then I did my very first and an interesting challenge on Instagram, that was hashtag 30 days journaling challenge with me. I gave you daily prompts and I'm so happy. So many of you were so consistent, gave me such beautiful feedback that it was beneficial for you guys. And guys, trust me, those feedbacks, those messages are what makes my day and makes me feel whatever efforts I did put towards this challenge has been successful. So thank you for such amazing feedback. In terms of my own personal learnings, I did complete my Power Up course of Instagram, which was launched in the Hustle Post Academy. As you guys know, I'm a Hustle Post Academy student, and these little Power Up courses are so power packed and are so useful. Implementing the things I learned in the Instagram Power Up course did help me to grow my channel. I saw organic growth, and that's amazing because these little things really makes you happy when you're working towards it and you see results. And I always encourage you guys to invest in your personal growth and personal development. And if you are someone who is thinking about launching their side hustle or working on their passion project, Hustle Post Academy is for you guys. And I have a special code for you guys which will give you an additional 5% discount. So by all means use it. If you don't want to use it, don't use it, but become a member of Hustle Post Academy if you think you want to launch your side hustle. In terms of my health goals, I was regular with my workouts. I also made sure that I ate some wholesome, nutritious food and did some meal prep this month. And guys, obviously there were cheat meals and cheat days, but that's part and parcel of life. And I feel really good and energetic now that I'm putting more attention towards what I'm putting inside my body. And that's the reason I always tell you guys that make sure you eat good food. And I also took a week's break. That was not intentional, but it just happened. And in that week break, all I did was lazing around, watch some Netflix shows. But that did take a toll on my reading goal, and I didn't read as much as I wanted. And that's that. So comment below and let me know how your month went by. Now guys, let's talk about the second part of this video, which is setting goals and intentions for the upcoming month. So my word of the month is discipline. Yes, I did achieve a lot of goals of mine previous month, but still I did lack some sort of discipline and I was procrastinating a lot last month. So now I have to really buckle up. For example, my reading goal, I didn't reach the exact goal I wanted, and now since the year is ending, my year goal was to read 25 books and I really have to buckle up. And my first announcement is, I asked you guys what next challenge would you like to do in the month of November, and most of you chose a reading challenge, though I was a little bummed because I really wanted to do a decluttering challenge, but that's okay, maybe next to next month. But for the month of November, we are doing a reading challenge on my Instagram, and please stay tuned on my Instagram handle, and I'll send some more details about it as the new month would start. And yes, this challenge would basically start from the 1st of November till the 30th of November, and the whole point would be to read every single day and reach some of our reading goals. And the second announcement is, I will have a Diwali week on my channel and I will try and post some bonus videos in the Diwali week. I'm not promising how many videos because, to be very honest, I had some Diwali plans, but because UK went into the lockdown for 4 weeks, so those plans won't work out. So I was really bummed about it, but that's that. We have to accept whatever is happening around us. And yes guys, so stay tuned for that, and I will definitely give you all the details on my Instagram Instagram and here. That's the reason I tell you guys, please follow me on my Instagram handle as well, because you know I give the quick details there as compared to YouTube. And the next thing I do is set up my planner. It's already set up for me. I just have to fill in the dates and everything and write my stuff in, and it's all ready. But if you're using a plain notebook, I have a video on my channel where I have shown how you can use a plain basic notebook and set it up for the coming month, and I'll link it somewhere here. Check it out in case if you just want to do in your plain old good notebook. It's not an issue at all. And guys, whenever you're planning your new month goals, make sure you do go through your major yearly goals, and I see it in almost all of my plan with me videos, because guys, it's really important that you make sure that everything you are doing is ultimately taking to your major goal, whatever that is. It's just small steps you need to take towards it. So the smaller steps are like the monthly goals, and even tinier steps are the weekly goals, so that you make sure that you hit your goal. And that's all about it. I hope you like this video. If yes, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also hit the little bell icon next to it so that you can be updated with all my latest videos. Meet me next Thursday, guys. Until then, take care. I love you all. Bye bye.